Most often, people say that journal your trades and you will see some changes in your day trading. So, I found a gap between suggesting do your trading journal and actually doing the trading journal. So, I'm here to fill the gap between what is journaling and how to start journaling with some important components in it. In this video, you're going to know whether you are trading any indices or stock, Bitcoin, or commodities like silver, crude oil, gold, anything, not at all a issue. So in this video you will learn what are the key components you have to include in your trading journal, so that will give you some good results and you feel like you are one step ahead of your trading journey. So I would like to give you an example about a trading journal. Whenever a person is doing a business, he has to maintain some accounts book, right? Why is the account book is there? Because any incoming money, any outgoing money, the raw material costs, the labor cost, or the staff cost, any other miscellaneous costs will be included in that accounts book. So once the month completes, he will analyze back the same book to understand what are the things that give them high profits and what are the things that are giving them losses, so they can tweak the accounts. Like if the raw material costs are really high at that particular vendor, what can they do? They can go for another vendor who give them some discount. Okay, all these things comes from analyzing the accounts book. So when you are good at analyzing your accounts, your business will not go bankrupt in any way, because you know what you are doing, where you have to improve your business skills. So in like that, in journaling also, you will journal every trade. You will journal the emotions at that particular trade, because emotions are the biggest part of day trading. You will create emotional insights on that. What is the outcome? Whether you are following your predefined strategy, predefined analysis, like this. These are the key components that are there in the trading journal. So in this video, you will learn what is journaling in day trading, what are the key components of trading journal to improve your trading one step ahead, and benefits of journaling in day trading, okay, and how to start journaling. So why I am saying that this is a journey, not a destination? Because trading is a high income skill where you have to improve yourself every single day. You are making millions sitting at your home. There is a chance or opportunity to make millions out of day trading. This requires particular or certain way of doing the things with the markets. One particular thing that affects your trading is journaling. Now let's get into the video. By the end of this video, you will get an insight about what you have to include your trading journal, a clarity about it. Okay, and let's go to the video. So please subscribe my channel for more valuable insights like this, like journaling, like psychology. There are many different aspects you have to improve to make money from the markets. All those aspects will be covered in this channel along with the technical analysis. Stay tuned to this channel. Please like and share this to your trading community, so that your fellow traders will understand what is the importance of journaling and trading psychology. Thank you. Let's get into the video. Now, journaling in day trading is the practice of recording and analyzing your trading activities, decisions, emotions, and outcomes. Like I have given the example of a business. Okay, in that business account book is similar to journaling in day trading. So it serves as a tool for self-improvement and strategy refinement. A trading journal is not just a log of trades, it's an understanding of record that helps traders evaluate their performances, identifying strengths and weaknesses, and make data-driven adjustments to their trading strategies. Now, what is meant by data driven adjustments? As I said in the earlier example, when the raw material costs are keeping high, which is making them less profits, he understood the problem actually there. So, understanding the problem with the completed data, okay, the whole month's data in his hands, and he understood that because of the increasing raw materials he is making less profits or he is making some losses. So this is the data driven adjustments. He understood that if I could get the raw material with some cheaper rate, I would have made some profits. This is the conclusion out of that data. So these are called data driven adjustments. Now let's apply what is data driven adjustment to your journaling. For example, if you are late to your desk, okay, you did your pre-market analysis very well, you are a very disciplined person, but somehow on that particular day you did not make it happen before the 9 a.m. and you are there at 9:30. You are there at your desk after 15 minutes of your market opens. So what happens? Your pre-market analysis is accepted by the market. That is a good risk reward trade, and the trade has been successful, like a big green candles are on your side. So what happens? You are going to feel pressure in your mind that I have missed an opportunity to make money. This opportunity could bring me great profits in this month. So that makes you really feeling low. I know how it feels like. It could really make you feel low on that particular time. Then what happens? Out of FOMO or some other emotion, you took another trade which is not very well good trade for you, but you took out of FOMO. That leads to negative MTM, negative profit, loss. So this is going to be a pattern for you. In my case, this is a pattern that I recognized when I do my journaling. So what I did was, whenever I am late to the desk, I took a decision that I am not going to take any trades on this particular day. So this is a data driven adjustment. Hope you understand. Now think of what are your things that are making you losses. Whether you are over trading, whether you are doing revenge trading, something like that. Write it down in a piece of paper. Okay, so now let's go to what are the key components of trading journal. So I would like to tell you there are 5 key components which is very common for any day trader. The first one is trade details, strategy notes, emotional insights, outcome analysis, and screenshots. Now, number 1, trade details. In trade details, you have to give the date and time of the trade, okay, and the asset you are trading. Example, you are trading stocks or indices or forex pair. So you have to give asset trader in that field stock or forex or silver. You have to give that, and then entry and exit prices. These are all come under trade details. Okay, what is your position size? You got the profit or the loss? Whether you have followed the strategy of your pre-planned system or not. You have to include all these things. Okay, you have to include all these things so that you will get data to take the decisions. The second one here is strategy notes. Okay, this is one of the key component of trading journal. Why? Because when you take the notes, let me explain what is a strategy notes. This is the reason for entering the trade. For example, based on a technical pattern or news event you took the trade, you have to enter it on this strategy notes. No worry if you don't understand this, just listen to this. I am going to give a template for trading journal for you to modify it for yourself. okay, downloadable template I am going to give in the next videos. Stay tuned to this channel. So in that, indicators or tools used for decision making. Okay, in strategy notes, what are the indicators and tools used for decision making will be known, and whether the trade followed your trading plan will be written in strategy notes. Okay, you took the trade in the right way or not, you will be understanding by seeing this strategy notes. The third one is emotional insights. Your emotional state before, during, and after the trade is very important. Any impulsive actions or decisions reflect on how emotions influence your trade. Okay, why? Because you have to include your emotional state in your trading. If you are emotionally not stable, something happened outside of your trading career, something happened which makes you feel agitated, negative emotions are there. So if you take that emotions to trading, that is a big or huge loss for you, because that emotions will definitely play a role in your decision making. Here the king is emotional intelligence. Now the fourth one, outcome analysis. Was the trade successful? You have to analyze that in outcome analysis. Why? Why not? These two things you have to understand. If the trade is successful, why? Most of the time this happens when the trade is successful, they don't analyze why the trade is successful. If the trade is not successful, they'll just left the trade. They don't analyze, the novices don't analyze the trade. And if you want to be a pro trader, you have to analyze why the trade is successful, why not the trade is successful. Lessons learned from the trade adjustments to improve future trades. These are the lessons you have to learn to improve your future trades. That's why I call it as a journey, not a destination. You have to improve yourself every single day to be in this field of high income skill. So the fifth one is screenshots. Charts showing your entry and exit points. You have to take a print out of that particular trade and paste it in your trading journal. So what happens when you are reading all these things, simultaneously you are seeing that particular day's chart screenshot, you will understand what has happened to give you profits, what has happened to give you losses. You will understand that, because humans are having photographic memory in the sense, when they see they will understand really well. When they read, they understand some points, but when they see that particular picture, you will understand much better. So today onwards, you have to take the screenshot of your trade, of your entire day, and paste it in your trading journal. So charts showing your entry and exit points, okay, should be highlighted, and your observations should be highlighted in the chart. Okay, all these things should be done in screenshots. By this time, I know that some of you amazed that how hard work it is going to take to do all these things. Yes, I can feel that, because I also felt like this once upon a time. But remember, this is a high income skill. You need to give whatever it takes to make money. Okay, so now let's get into benefits of journaling in day trading. Maybe this video is little bit longer, but listen to this, you will get benefited out of this. Okay, what benefits of journaling in day trading? The first one is improves discipline. Okay, second one, enhances self awareness. Third one, identifies your strengths and weaknesses. Fourth one, you can take the data driven adjustments. Fifth one, it's a long-term growth oriented habit. Okay, now let's get into it little bit deeper. How it improves your discipline. Keeping a journal encourages you to follow your trading plan consistently, isn't it? It will encourage you to take right action consistently. In this way, you will improve your discipline. And the second one enhances self awareness. By tracking emotions, you can identify your patterns of behavior that impact your trades. The third one identifies strengths and weaknesses, helps pinpoint which strategy work best and which need some improvement. Okay, now data driven adjustments provides a fact related data to refine your trading strategy, so that you can adjust your trading strategy with the data you have for the previous month or the previous week. And long term growth enables continuous learning and improvement, which is really important for success in day trading. That's why I call it as a journey, not a destination. Now here comes the great part, how to start journaling. Okay, I'm going to give you some tools that you can have a look on it. If this suits to you, you can start journaling in that tools. Otherwise, I'm going to give in the future videos a trading template, journaling template. So the tools are Excel, Google Sheets, or you can have some specialized journaling softwares like Edgewonk and TraderSync. Okay, can I take you to those one? Let me take you to those. Okay, let me take you to those things. Okay, TraderSync. This is a tool for maintaining your trading journal. What is called? TraderSync. So when you search it in the Google, you will get this type of thing. TraderSync.com. You can click on here. Okay, here it is having try it free for 7 days. Just sign up here and try it for 7 days. You will see some kind of difference in your trading. Otherwise, if you are not sure about all these softwares, I am going to give the trading journal in the future videos. Okay, so whatever trading journal you are using, just be consistent. Enter all your trading things in the trading journal. Log every trade, even the small ones. Okay, so another one here is, it is like Edgewonk, I think so. Yeah, this is the software for trading journal, Edgewonk, but this is really expensive. We need to purchase it. As you are beginning or you have some knowledge, I don't think buying journaling software is not so good. So go for this and try it out. TraderSync. Try it out and you will see what you have to include in your trading journal. Now let's get into our thing here. Let me take you to this. Okay, just a moment. So we are here, how to start journaling. Okay. Dedicate time to review and analyze your journal weekly and monthly. Journaling could transform your trading from guesswork into a structured and scientific approach, ultimately helping you achieve consistent results. Yes, it will help you to achieve consistent results, and stay tuned to this channel for the trading template I am going to give you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like, share this and in your trading community. Thank you.